Welcome back to my channel. Today I made the yummiest, tastiest green paste. Guys, this paste is the bomb. I started by picking my scent leaves, washing it thoroughly, then go ahead and scrape the spring onions because I use scent leaves, spring onions, yellow Scotch bonnet pepper, green bell peppers, ginger, and garlic. Those are the things I use for this paste. This paste can serve as your base for making your spaghetti, for making literally anything, and you can also use it as marinade. So these are the ingredients here: scent leaves, green bell peppers, yellow Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger and garlic, then spring onions. So you can just tweak it to whatever green herbs or pepper or whatever you have. You can use green rodo if you have. You can just change it. If you have parsley, fresh parsley, oregano, you can use them. So after cleaning everything, I put them in a blender. Then I added salt. If you want, you can add seasoning, but I prefer using seasoning when I want to use it. I don't like putting seasoning in it like that. So I went in with cooking oil while blending. I don't want to put water, so I use oil, and I didn't blend it till it's smooth, just roughly blended. That's how I want it. If you want to, might make it smooth. So I just use the pause button on the blender to blend it. So you can use this as a marinade to marinate your chicken, turkey, fish, or anything. You can use it to make spaghetti. I'll drop the link for the video of the spaghetti I made using this green paste. I'll put it up here. So this is the green paste. Now I'm going to show you how I use it to marinate my protein. But in this video I'm using turkey, but you can use it to marinate fish, chicken, beef, anything. So now this is our turkeys are already been cleaned. It has already been cleaned. Then I added just a little bit of peanut butter. I made it myself. This is groundnuts, roasted groundnuts. Then I blended it without adding any other thing. It has stayed for long. That's why you can see oil on it. So I added seasoning, then salt. Be careful so that you don't over season. Remember, this is going to stay in the freezer for long, or you're going to leave it for some time before you use it. So the seasoning and the salt will have entered it. So if it is too much, it will be too salty. So this is it. You can just marinate your chicken like this, then put in the freezer and bring out whenever you want to use it. Yes. So if you want to know how I made the red marinade like this, you see the video up here. I'll drop it here. Click on it and watch it. Please do not forget to engage. Please, guys, engage on my videos. Like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Please do not forget, comment, like right now. Just like it. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.